안녕하세요. I work in Korea and here are my lunches Monday through to Friday. This is the delicious and healthy food that we get provided at work every day. So let's check it out for this week, starting with Monday. Mondays means a hard week of work coming up, but it also means a good week of delicious lunches. And we start with Bokum today, and it is a spicy stir-fried pork. We've got a soybean stew or soybean soup, pickled quail eggs with radish, seaweed that's been fried up, and potato sliced into little pieces like that and also fried up. Oh, I can't wait for tomorrow. Now looking to Tuesday, I'm going to get a little bit ahead of myself here because I want to add something. We have bulgogi, just stir-fried beef with a bit of sort of sugar in there. It's a little bit sweet, goes great with that cabbage. Then coming up, we actually have some fried tofu and fish cake with a bit of sort of red spicy sauce on that fish cake. Absolutely fantastic, and a bit of sesame oil on top. The mystery thing from last week was gosari, so I found out what that was. I guess you put a bit of garlic in there with that. And here is my bean sprout soup, and I've been told that in Korea you don't always put the soup with the rice like that, but that's just something I do. I don't know, it's a bit of a habit at this stage. Diving into Wednesday. It's raining, it's hot some days, we're going through a heat wave, and if what gets you through is this one. It's beef with radish and tofu, and it's a delicious hearty stew. Gives a lot of energy. Fairly typical here, this is just a cutlet, but it's actually got fish inside, so not your typical cutlet. Some delicious radish there with seaweed and a light sort of salad with a bit of bell pepper in there. Fantastic. Thursday, look at that. I'm sitting outside. When you see the light like that, that means I'm sitting outside. It means it wasn't too hot. And fried chicken with some French fries, I guess you call that. Delicious. Korean fried chicken is just fantastic. Great to have it for lunch. That's fish cake with radish. Quite a deep sort of stew on that one. Sort of also fish cake that's been covered in an egg battered up. That's actually octopus. And then some spinach side dish. Ending the week on our wonderful Friday. Bean sprout soup is back on the menu as well as bulgogi. But you might see it looks a little bit different. Every time they cook bulgogi, it is a little bit different depending on how much sugar you have and what kind of meat you're using. So they can say it's a lot more garlicky than the other one. Then you've got some sausage that's been fried up, wonderfully prepared broccoli, typical kimchi, and bean sprout soup. And I got the last of it, so I just have a little few pieces of bean sprout there. There's a lot of people at work, so you don't always get the most. So thanks for watching. Now, as usual, if you do have any questions, let me know. I'm always interested as well. If you have anything you want to add about some of the dishes that you can see here. They're very typical. A lot of different types of dishes that if you go to a Korean restaurant, you'll see. Or, hey, if you're eating at home with your in-laws, as I often used to do, you'll find this stuff on the table. So, have a great day. Enjoy your lunch. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.